Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can extract the glowing crystal to get the cave crystal in Fish It game on Roblox Crystal Depth Update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to complete the mission from this NPC. You need to find the Hang's Diary and then you will get this pickaxe item. And every 2 hours, the glowing crystal will spawn in this crystal depth and then you can extract the glowing crystal to get the cave crystal. Okay, and you need to find another crystal and it will help you to get the crystallized mutation guys. Okay, let's find the glowing crystal. Okay, you just need to find the glowing crystal guys, and the cave crystal will appear in your inventory like this, and we can use it to get the crystallized mutation. Okay, you can activate the crystal and you can do fishing. Okay, and it will last after 30 minutes. Okay guys, and that's all the way to extract the glowing crystal to get the cave crystal in Fish It game on Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.